In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a line in Notion. This line, also known as a divider, is a fantastic formatting tool that helps you visually separate different sections of your content. It plays a crucial role in making your pages more organized and easier to read. Let's dive into the process, which is pretty straightforward and quick. We'll explore a few different methods so you can choose the one that suits you best. First, we have the keyboard shortcut method, which is probably the fastest and easiest way to insert a line. All you need to do is type 3 dashes in a row like this. Dash, 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 and voila! A divider will automatically appear right where your cursor is positioned. It's effortless and saves you plenty of clicks and navigation time. If keyboard shortcuts aren't your thing, don't worry. Another quick method is using the slash command. In any new line, if you simply type a slash followed by the word divider and then press enter, you'll instantly add a horizontal line to your page. Using the slash command is generally a handy way to insert various blocks and features within Notion, so this might be a good technique to get used to if you like working from the keyboard. Now, if you prefer a more manual approach and like using your mouse, you can insert a divider using the block menu. This involves hovering your mouse over the left-hand side margin where you want the line to appear. You'll see a little plus button pop up. Go ahead and click that. From there, you'll scroll through the Basic Blocks section and select Divider. A horizontal line will elegantly stretch across your page at the chosen location. This method provides a more visual approach to adding elements to your pages, which some users find comfortable. Once you've got the divider on your page, moving it around is a breeze. Just like with other blocks in Notion, you can drag and drop the divider to reposition it wherever you'd like. This flexibility is one of the features in Notion that can significantly enhance your workflow, allowing you to tailor the layout to your preferences. And there you go. That's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial has shown you just how simple it is to add dividers to your Notion pages. You'll find these lines to be particularly helpful as your pages and notes grow, keeping everything neatly separated and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a like. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.